Hello my friends, Jolene here. So I thought I would do a video on our Acti Bunco. So it's a lot of fun, great way to meet people, and it's fun for them to learn how to meet other people. It breaks the ice, fun way for them to play and learn about Acti products. So what I'm showing you here is supplies that you will need. So you see 3 notepads, and each notepad will go on each table. There'll be 3 tables, and you have dice. There's 9 dice there, so there'll be 3 dice that goes on each table, and then you'll have pens as well, and a bell. The bell goes on the head table, and I'll go over all of that more. Just right now I'm just showing you the supplies that you will need, and that's the gist of the supplies. Of course, you will need 3 card tables. If you don't have 3 card tables, you can always use a dining room table and 2 card tables, let's say. That always works as well. And then, of course, your 12 chairs. That way everybody has a place to sit. That's always a good thing to have. And let's see, what else? That looks like the gist of... oh, and of course the game sheets. We cannot forget those. Those are really important to have. And right here, I've made up some, but I need to shorten it. So as you see here, so it actually just needs to be this half right there. Let's see if I can get it. So I'm going to make them a little shorter there. And as you see, you know, it has the ones through 6, and I'll go over how the game is played. So those are your game sheets. There'll be 4 on each table. And let's see, what else? Okay, so while we're going over supplies, we'll go over prizes as well. Okay, so you'll have most wins, which equals about $40, which we end up saying that's a wrap kit, or you can do collagen and kelp, whatever product equals close to that amount. Same thing with the most buncos, that equals up to $40. So you can determine, you know, which one you want to be a wrap kit, which one you want to be collagen and kelp. And then we have the most losses, which equals to be about $15. And that one you could do marine body lotion, whatever Acti product equals close to that $15. And then you have 50-50. And what I mean by 50-50 is you have half wins and half losses that equal the same amount. Okay, or at least close to it. Alright, and so that is $10 for a win. And that tends to be like a Le Jolie crayon. And then you have a... I call it, well, when I play Bunco, we used to say cup, but now I call it wrap. And whoever has the wrap at the end of the game, and I'll explain that in the video as well, at the end of the game gets to win a prize as well. And that prize tends to equal to be about $12. So that's like, you know, one of the lippies, like a Mega Matte or a lip stain, and a lip gloss as well. Okay, and then you can determine between your ambassadors who gets to bring what to make it fair, to equal the right amount of prize equally between each other. So like one brings a wrap, one brings the collagen and kelp, and then the other person would bring the rest of the prizes, because that will equal up close to that $40. Okay, so that kind of gives you an idea there. And then also too, you would determine who's gonna host the Bunco. Okay, where are you going to have it at? That's the other deal too you got to think about as well. And then, you would say, okay, well, of course, what can I bring? You can either give the person that's hosting it at their house, money to pick up the either a meat tray, or one of the things that we like to do is like mimosas, because we've been doing day games over the weekend, and that tends to be a pretty good turnout. Everybody's been liking the mimosas. And let's see, what else? So that's just, some of the tips and that that we have done so far. And then here in a minute, I will do the rest of the video.